Apex Trader Funding offers 50k futures funded accounts that pay up to $1,500 per week. Traders can have up to 20 accounts, so they have the potential to earn up to $30,000 per week, trading markets like ES, NQ, and more. So far, Apex has paid out over $800 million to traders worldwide, averaging nearly $1 million per day. Apex Trader Funding is an online retail futures prop firm, meaning any trader is allowed to participate and get paid. There are 3 stages: evaluation, sim-funded, and live trading. First, you purchase an evaluation and try to reach the profit target within 30 days without breaching the maximum drawdown. The targets depend on the account size, but the 50k account offers one of the best ratios, with a profit target of only 1.5 times its drawdown. You'll also choose between intraday trailing and end-of-day trailing drawdown. Intraday accounts are cheaper, but more restrictive. End-of-day accounts cost more, but are more trader-friendly, so they're easier to pass. Next, choose between a standard account and a no activation fee account. No activation fee accounts are cheaper if you pass on your first attempt, but if you need 2 or more attempts, standard accounts normally work out cheaper. Apex also offers discounted 5-account bundles, and for the highest available discount on all evaluations, use code TPJ at checkout. Once you pass and activate your account, you enter the sim-funded stage, where you can begin earning real payouts from your trading profits. To request one, you must meet 3 requirements: reach the minimum balance, complete 5 qualifying trading days, and pass the 50% consistency rule. You can only request payouts of profits above the safety net buffer. This is calculated by adding the account size, maximum drawdown, and $100. For example, a 50k account with $2,000 drawdown has a safety net of $52,100. Because the minimum payout is $500, your balance would need to reach at least $52,600 to request a payout. You also need 5 qualifying trading days. On a 50k account, that means earning at least $250 on 5 separate days. Finally, your largest profitable day must account for less than 50% of your total profit since your last approved payout. If it doesn't, you simply continue trading until your other profits bring that percentage below 50%. Apex pays out 100% of the profits you request. Each sim-funded account can receive up to 6 payouts, with the maximum amount increasing over time. After the 6th payout, the account is closed and you can take another evaluation. However, Apex may move successful traders to its live program before that happens. Live traders start with one real money account that has $3,000 maximum drawdown, with the opportunity to scale up to 5 accounts. They can request payouts daily, with no cap, and may eventually be offered a salary. Apex decides when to move traders to live, but you'll always be eligible to receive at least one sim-funded payout first. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, a like and subscribe will be greatly appreciated. And comment below which prop firm I should cover next.